In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Replit for JavaScript 2025. By the end, you'll have a fresh JavaScript web app running in your browser and know exactly how to get it published. Start by heading to the Replit homepage. If you're not already there, open your browser and go to replit.com. From the home dashboard, look for the option to create a new project. You'll typically see a search or template picker. In that search box, type terms related to JavaScript web apps. If you see an option labeled something like Create a website with JavaScript, that's the one we want. Click it to open the template. Next, when the template screen appears, choose the web app option. This gives you a ready-to-run setup with the files and configuration you need for a basic site powered by JavaScript. Go ahead and click Start. Replit will spin up your workspace and load the editor, file tree, console, and a preview pane. Once the project opens, keep an eye on the console. If there's a button or link to scroll to latest, click it so you can follow the build logs as they stream. You may see dependencies installing and a development server starting. Give it a moment. When the logs settle, the preview on the right should load your starter web page. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds for the environment to finish initializing, then refresh the preview. With the app running, let's publish it. Look to the top right of the interface for a Publish button and click it. A dialog will open asking you to confirm or review details. Click Publish again to proceed. Some flows ask you to hit Publish one more time, then choose Publish your app to finalize. Follow those prompts in sequence. If you see fields for a title, description, or tags, add clear, concise information so others understand what your app does. If there's a visibility option, choose the level you're comfortable with. Avoid including any secrets or private data in your code or description. After you confirm, Replit will generate a live URL for your app. You can open that link to verify everything works in a new browser tab. The published site is now accessible from anywhere, and Replit will keep it synced with your project. If you make changes later, just repeat the publish flow to update